Okay, if your schedule is absolutely jammed and your to-do list just never seems to end, finding a wellness routine that can actually keep up with you can feel, well, impossible. Today, we're going to dive into an ancient practice that might just be the smartest, most efficient solution for your super modern life.
Wow, that really says it all, doesn't it? I mean, when every single minute counts, you need a solution that gives you the biggest benefit in the shortest amount of time. This isn't about just pampering yourself. It's about being smart and strategic with your self-care. So let's kick things off by looking at what that crazy schedule is actually doing to our bodies.
All right, first up, the nonstop schedule problem. Let's get real about this, because it's not just about feeling tired. It has some very real, very tangible effects on both our bodies and our minds.
Does any of this sound painfully familiar? You spend long hours hunched over a desk and you get that deep stiffness in your neck and shoulders. All that commuting and just general inactivity makes their flexibility totally shrink. And over time, all of that just builds up into these chronic aches and this constant feeling of mental burnout. It's a vicious cycle that, honestly, so many of us are caught in.
But what if there was a completely different approach? A way to take care of yourself that doesn't just help you relax, but one that actively pushes back against these specific problems. Let's talk about Thai massage.
So, the key to really getting what Thai massage is all about is this term assisted yoga. Seriously, forget everything you think you know about passively lying on a table. This is an active, really engaging experience where a practitioner is guiding your body through all these dynamic stretches, working to get you back to your natural state of balance.
And this slide just perfectly illustrates how different it really is. With a typical Western massage, you're usually undressed, on a table, getting those passive, oil-based strokes that, let's be honest, often make you want to take a nap. But with Thai massage, it's a whole different world. You're fully clothed, on a mat on the floor, and you're moving through these active, yoga-like stretches. And the result? It's not sleepiness. It's this incredible feeling of being invigorated and energized.
Okay, so how do these really unique techniques actually translate into real-world benefits for that stiff, overworked body we were just talking about? Let's break down the physical fix.
The crucial point here is that this active stretching goes right after the problems of our modern, sedentary lifestyle. It lengthens those muscles that get so tight from sitting, it improves the mobility in your joints, and over time, it steadily increases your overall range of motion. For so many people, this directly translates into a huge reduction in those chronic aches and pains that just come with a packed schedule.
But here's where Thai massage really stands out, especially for the busy professional. It's not just about what it fixes, it's about what it gives you back. This is one of the most remarkable benefits for sure. You know how a passive massage can sometimes leave you feeling a little groggy? Well, the dynamic movements and the targeted pressure of a Thai massage actually improve your circulation and stimulate your whole nervous system. You don't leave needing a nap, you leave feeling rejuvenated and totally ready to get back to your day with a new sense of focus.
So, the first major payoff is simple. You release that physical tension that builds up from stress and just sitting for way too long. Think of it like hitting a giant reset button on all that desk slouching.
The second payoff is maybe the most surprising one. It gives you this incredible boost of energy. Instead of feeling wiped out, you feel sharp and ready to tackle whatever's on your list, making it a powerful tool for productivity.
And finally, it takes care of the mental side of the equation. It helps you find this really profound sense of calm, clearing away all the mental clutter that just comes with the chaos of a busy life.
So how does it do this? Well, it's all about that mind-body connection. The practice itself is like a moving meditation. You incorporate deep breathing with mindful movement. And what this does on a physical level is it's been shown to actually reduce the levels of stress hormones in your body. The result isn't just a relaxed body, but a truly calm, clear mind.
So when you put all of these pieces together, a really clear picture starts to emerge. For someone with a packed schedule, Thai massage isn't just another option, it's a uniquely strategic one. This right here is the key takeaway. It is an efficient, all-in-one session. In one single visit, you are working on your physical flexibility, you're boosting your energy levels for whatever tasks are ahead, and you're getting the mental clarity you need to perform at your absolute best. It's a comprehensive approach that really works as hard as you do.
And that leaves us with a final thought to chew on. In the hustle of our modern lives, we demand efficiency from absolutely everything. So why shouldn't we demand it from our self-care? It's worth asking yourself if your current routine is truly giving you the tools you need to not just survive your schedule, but to actually thrive in it.